Hello, today you will learn about IGNOU MCA BCA Revised Solved Paper of December 2017. Question 1. What is multithreading? What are the advantages of multithreading? What is a main thread in the context of Java?
Multithreading in Java allows processes to create and manage multiple threads, executing tasks concurrently. Threads run independently, improving performance by efficient CPU resource utilization. It enhances responsiveness, resource sharing, simplifies program design, and achieves true concurrency. The main thread, starting with the JVM launch, executes the main method, acting as the entry point for Java programs. All other threads are spawned as child threads of the main thread, continuing until main completes or program termination.
Question 2. What is bytecode in Java? What are the advantages of using bytecode in Java?
Java bytecode is the machine-independent code generated by the Java compiler during compilation. It serves as an intermediary between the Java source code and machine code, allowing it to be executed by the Java Virtual Machine (JVM). Stored in .class files, bytecode offers advantages such as platform portability, security through code verification, efficiency compared to interpretation, interoperability across languages, and support for distributed computing. These benefits make Java bytecode a key component in achieving the write once, run anywhere principle and a popular choice for cross-platform development.
Question 3. Explain different forms of inheritance. What are the advantages of using inheritance?
In object-oriented programming, inheritance allows a derived class to inherit properties and behaviors from a base class. There are various forms of inheritance, including single, multiple, multi-level, and hierarchical. Single inheritance involves one base and one derived class, while multiple inheritance, not directly supported in Java, allows a class to inherit from multiple base classes using interfaces. Multi-level inheritance creates chains of derived classes, and hierarchical inheritance involves one base class inherited by several derived classes. Inheritance promotes code reusability, saves development time, supports polymorphism, eases maintenance, and enhances code organization.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.